So we're gonna go ahead and come into a tall seat, taking in all the sounds of the morning, car starting, shuffling of perhaps people walking by, or chatter from outside the space, or thoughts from within the mind. Notice, acknowledge, without clinging to these distractions. Find ease throughout the jaw, the cheekbones, the eyelids, the eyebrows, and the forehead. Elongate through the spine and maybe roll the shoulders back a few times, really finding shoulders over hips, head over pelvis, a light engagement, drawing low belly in and out. And I invite you to bring one palm to the belly and one palm to the heart. Let's start by taking a full breath in, and then sigh it out, let it go. Another full breath in, and sigh it out, let it go. Now as you inhale, fill the belly with breath, press the palm away. And as you exhale, expelling all the air. As we inhale and fill the belly with breath, exhale, expelling all the air. We'll continue by taking a big breath into the belly, another breath into the rib cage, and a final breath into the chest. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Inhale, inflate belly. Another inhale into the ribs. Another inhale to the chest. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue this 3-part breath at your pace. As we breathe, I wanted to tell you about a dream that I've had, a reoccurring dream that I've had ever since college. I've had this dream where I am in the house I lived in college, and I'm finding all these new rooms and these new nooks and crannies of the house that I never knew were there. And it's just this dream that kept happening. And I thought about it a lot over the years and how it represented different parts of my life, but particularly the yoga practice. Our niyama that we're focusing on this week is Ishvara Pranidhana, or surrender to the divine, something bigger than you. And I've always, I want to say, shied away from teaching this because not everyone relates to this surrender to the divine or something bigger than them. But I think about it in terms of finding new layers, being open to discovering new parts of ourselves, of our practice, and of our world. And so when we come to our mats, it's not something that we're looking to master and then it becomes stagnant. It's something we're continuously finding new nooks and crannies, new space, new layers, both on and off the mat. And if that resonates with you, I invite you to take it as the intention. We'll draw the hands to the heart. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, twist to the right, sitting up nice and tall. Inhale, rising up and twisting to the left. Inhale, rising up and twisting to the right. Inhale, rising up and twisting left. We'll keep doing this twist a few more times at your pace. The next time you come to your left, that'll be our last. We'll inhale, reach up, right arm down, left arm over. And rising up, over to the other side. And keep moving side to side. The next time you come to your left, that'll be the last. We'll inhale, rise up through center. And as we exhale, come over to all fours. Palms under shoulders, knees under hips. As we inhale, we find length, tail to head. As you exhale, curl the tailbone round the back, press the earth away. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale to round. Keep moving through this. If you'd like, walk the knees a little further back, and then inhale, hips come forward, shine the heart. And as you exhale, coming back towards child's. Inhale, coming forward, and exhale, moving back. We'll take a few more rounds of this movement at your pace. And then we'll all meet in child's pose. You can let the elbows bend here, let the forehead relax. Breathe into the hips, the back. Let go of tension throughout the face and throughout the body. We'll rise up to all fours. Find your neutral spine. Extend the right leg long behind you. And perhaps reach the left arm out in front of you. Full breath in. Deep exhale. One more inhale as you exhale, knee to elbow. And reach it out. Knee to elbow. And reach it out. One more, knee to elbow. Reach it out. Lower the palm. Bring the leg over to the left. Gaze back at the foot. Bring that leg back through center and lower the knee. Extend the left leg long behind you, right arm out in front of you. Full breath in, deep exhale. One more inhale as you exhale, knee to elbow. Reach it out, knee to elbow, reach it out. One more, bring it in, reach it out. Lower the palm, bring the foot over to the right, gaze back at the foot. Bring that leg through center, let it lower. From here, keep the hips high, walk the hands forward. Let the forehead find the earth, a block, or just relax through the neck here. Taking a few rounds of breath in our melting heart. And walk the palms back under the shoulders, tuck the toes, rise to downward facing dog. You can pedal the feet, shake the head, yes or no. Warming up with the first down dog of the day. When you're ready, come into stillness. As we inhale, roll forward, high plank. As we exhale, lift the hips back, down dog. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale to down dog. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Tap the knees and lift them up. Tap the knees and lift them up. Tap the knees, bend the elbows, come all the way down. Untuck the toes, roll the shoulders back, spread the tops of the feet into the earth. Inhale to your cobra. Exhale to lower. Inhale to your cobra. Release and lower. One more to your cobra. Come to all fours and back to downward facing dog. Walk the feet up to the hands, come to forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Remember, you can keep that soft bend in your knees. Release and fold. Again, inhale, half lift. Draw the shoulders back. Exhale to fold. Next inhale, reach up. And hands to heart, arms down. Inhale, reach up. Right arm down, left arm over, nice side bend. Inhale, rising up, left arm down, right arm over. Inhale, rising up, and exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back, high plank, high push-up. Tap the knees and lifting up. Tap the knees and lifting up. Tap the knees, shift forward, draw the elbows back as you lower down. Untuck the toes, spread the feet, engage low belly. Through to cobra, inhale, and right back to down dog. Let's get a little stretch through the back of the legs. Let's inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, lengthen the legs. Exhale, press the heels towards the earth. They're not going to touch, that's okay. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, lengthen the legs. Exhale, press the heels down. Look to the hands, lift the heels, walk the feet up to the hands, forward fold. Halfway lift and lengthen, release and fold. Inhale, rise up. Hands to heart, arms down. Inhale, reach up. If you'd like, take hold of your left wrist with your right hand. Side bend up and over to the right. Inhale through center, take hold of right wrist, up and over to the left. Inhale through center, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping back to high plank, high push up. Tap the knees down, lifting up. Tap down, lifting up. Tap down, shift forward, draw the elbows back, lower. Inhale through to cobra and back to downward facing. We'll take that stretch for the legs again. So inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees. Straighten the legs, press heels down. Lift the heels, bend the knees. Straighten the legs, press heels down. Lift the heels, bend the knees, walk the feet up to the hands, forward fold. Halfway lift, release and fold. Inhale, rising up. Hands to heart, arms down. Interlace the fingers so that the palms are behind the head, elbows are wide. Take a deep breath, side bend over to the right. Inhale through center, over to the left. Again, inhale through center, over right. Inhale, center, over left. Inhale, center, lift the chest, lift the heart. Exhale, fold, forward and down. Inhale, half lift, step or float to high plank, your choice. And then you can choose to continue to lower the knees, or you can take low push-up, or you can lower straight down. Just be mindful that we don't collapse through our upper body. Okay, slowly lower through the cobra or upward dog, and back to downward facing. We'll move into our flow. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee to nose, step the foot between the hands. Back foot 45 degrees, rise up, warrior one. Bending into the front leg, pressing to the pinky edge of that back foot. Reach the arms up. Take an inhale as you exhale, folding over the leg. And inhale to rise. Exhale, coming forward. And inhale to rise. One more, coming forward. And rising up. Frame the front foot, heel the right arm open. You can lift the back heel so that you're balancing on the ball of that back foot. Really press down into that right heel, lengthen through the back leg, draw inner thighs towards one another. Notice how you are breathing. Right hand next to the foot, step back to high plank. Optional vinyasa, you can always skip this and go right to down dog, your choice. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose, foot between the hands. Warrior one, rising up. Bending into that front leg. As we go through our flow, you might find more space in the shoulders and perhaps your palms start to press, but we don't have to force that to happen. Take a deep breath as you exhale, come forward, and inhale to rise. Exhale, come forward, inhale to rise. One more, come forward, and rising up. Frame the front foot, peel your left arm open. Spread through the back toes, lift and spread the front toes. Rotate through the upper body. Bring the left hand down, step to high plank. Optional flow or meeting in downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Step the foot between the hands. Warrior one, rising up. This time, bend the elbows, open the heart, and reaching up. Inhale to open. Exhale to reach. One more, open, reaching up. Maybe the palms press. And frame the front foot. Heel the right arm open, twisting to the right. From here, lower your back knee, sweep your right leg to the back of the mat as you kick that left foot behind you. Now from here, bring right arm down, right leg, left arm reaches up and over to the right, taking a side bend. Left fingertips come down, right leg lifts up for a side plank variation. From here, look to the top of your mat, right hand, right foot, top of the mat. Tuck the back toes, turn the back foot 90 degrees. Cartwheel the arms for warrior two. Bending into the front leg, gazing over the front third finger. Press down through the heels, lift and spread the toes, and then return them to the earth. Take a look down, see what that front knee is doing, if it's caving in. Open from the inner thigh. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, right forearm, right thigh. Left arm over for side angle. Let's flow that a few times. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. As you exhale, straighten your front leg long. Inhale here. As you exhale, reach forward. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Find length from the waist. Turn the gaze up towards the sky. Engage the muscles above the knees. Inhale, reverse warrior. Turn the right toes in, bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, lift the heart, take your back bend here. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold down. Half lift and lengthen, and release and fold. If you're really sitting into the heels, see if you can tip the weight forward a bit, and breathe. We'll inhale, come up halfway, bend the knees, roll up to stand. Turn the right toes top the mat, find warrior two. Reach back, reverse. Cartwheel the arms down. Step back to high plank and take your flow, meeting in downward facing dog. We'll inhale the left leg high, knee to nose, step the foot between the hands. Warrior one, rising up. Inhale, open the heart and reaching up. Inhale, bend the elbows, open heart, reaching up. One more, bend and open, reaching up. We'll frame the front foot, heel the left arm open. Lower the back knee, sweep the left leg to the back of the mat, and reach left arm down, left leg, right arm up and overhead. Take a side bend to your left. And then bring your right hand down, the left leg up for side plank variation. Look to the top of the mat, left foot, top of the mat, tuck the back toes, cartwheel the arms up for warrior two. Again, draw that right shoulder back, press down through the feet, lift and spread the toes. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. And exhale, side angle. One more, reverse. And side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Take a deep breath in and reach forward, triangle pose. Lengthen through the waist. Turning the gaze upward if that feels good for the neck. Rising up, reverse warrior. And then turn your left toes in, bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, fold down. Halfway lift and lengthen, and folding into this space. From here, come up halfway, bend the knees, roll all the way to stand. Find warrior two. Reach back, reverse warrior. Cartwheel the arms down, step to high plank. Optional flow, meeting in downward facing dog. Taking a few moments of breath in down dog, starting to notice some changes from the start of practice to now. We'll inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee towards right arm, above the elbow. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee towards left arm. Inhale, three-legged dog, knee to nose, plant the foot between the hands. Back foot 45, warrior one, rising up. Draw the hands to the heart, shift forward, lift the back leg up for warrior three. Try to draw the shoulders back, spread through the sole of that back foot, and really find length from the top of the head out through the foot. This continuous energy. We'll find warrior one. And frame the front foot, heel the right arm open. Option to lower the left knee and sweep right leg to the back of the mat, or side plank. You might heel toe right foot halfway back and stack or stagger the feet. Notice how you are breathing. Look to the top of your mat, right foot, right hand, top of the mat. Warrior two, rising up. Reach back, reverse. And side angle. You might keep right forearm on right thigh, or if you're ready for it, you might bring the fingertips to the earth or a block. Left arm sweeps over. And rise up, reverse warrior. Straighten the front leg long. Reach right arm out like you're serving a platter here. And then reach left arm over like you're holding a beach ball between the hands. Reach back, reverse. Turn the right toes in and catch the hands behind you. Interlace your fingers. Lift the heart, inhale. As we exhale, fold down. If you need to release the hands for balance, please do so. Release the fingertips towards the earth. Come up half lift, heels slightly in, toes slightly out. Bend towards your left, side lunge to the back of your mat. Pause here. And walk the hands to the right, frame the right foot, lower back knee, untuck the toes, low lunge, Anjaneyasana, rising up. And frame the front foot, shifting back, half split. We'll move through these two spaces. Inhale, you might keep the hands down or lift them up for low lunge. Exhale, half split. And keep moving through this at your pace, a few more times. The next time you come forward, we'll plant left palm down, right arm open. You might stay here or reach the right arm back. You might stay there or hug your back foot in towards the glutes, ever so slightly drawing that foot in towards you. extend that back leg, tuck the toes, lift the back knee, step to high plank, take your flow, meeting in downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg high, knee towards left arm. Three-legged dog, knee towards right arm. Three-legged dog, foot between the hands. Warrior one, rising up. Hands to heart, shifting forward. Warrior three. Again, drawing the shoulder blades back, engaging low belly. Lengthen from the sole of the foot out to the top of the head. Out to each corner of the mat. We'll find warrior one. Frame the front foot, heel left arm open. If you'd like, you can lower the right knee and sweep left leg back at the mat, or heel toe the foot halfway back, or stagger the feet, side plank. And find left foot, left hand, top of the mat, warrior two, rising up. Inhale, reverse. Your side angle, forearm to thigh, fingertips down, right arm reaches over. Finding space, breath, new layers in each moment, each shape, and the space between. Inhale, reverse, lengthen front leg long. Left arm reaches out, right arm reaches over, triangle variation. Reach back, reverse warrior. Turn left toes in. Catch the hands behind you and interlace the fingers the way that was not your first instinct to do so. So the other thumb is on top. Inhale, lift the heart and folding down. Release the fingertips to the earth. Come up halfway, heels slightly in, toes slightly out. Bend to the right, side lunge, back of the mat. And walk the hands to the left, frame left foot, lower back knee, rise up, low lunge, Anjaneyasana. And frame the foot, shifting back, half split. And we're gonna move through these two spaces. Hands can stay down or they can rise up for low lunge, your choice. Moving through at your depth and your pace. The next time you come forward, plant the right palm down, peel the left arm open. Stay there or reach left arm back. Stay there or hug that heel, back heel in towards the glutes as you take hold of the foot with your left hand. Release the back leg, tuck the toes, step back to high plank. Taking your flow and meeting in downward facing dog. From here, look to the hands, walk or float, forward fold. Top of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Release and fold. Inhale, rise up. Hands to heart, arms down. Rock forward and back. Close the eyes if you'd like. Lifting and spreading the toes. And then finding your grounding. Coming into mountain pose, Tadasana. We'll draw the hands to the heart. Find a non-moving point, your drishti, to focus at. And right foot comes to ankle, calf, or inner thigh. Above or below the knee, coming into tree. And if you've been doing tree for a while and you feel pretty good about it, I'm gonna ask you to try lifting your heel. So the ball of the foot is pressing into the leg and the heel is lifted. It's harder than one may imagine. And bring that foot down. Press into the other foot and come into tree on the opposite side. And you may notice one side is a little different than the other. Not a judgment, not an evaluation, simply something that we notice. And bring that foot down. We'll step the feet a little wider, heels face slightly in, toes slightly out. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, coming into Malasana. So if you want to sit up on a block, that's fine. If you're higher up, that's fine as well. Be where you need to be today. We'll take about 5 rounds of breath here. Ready, you can come to a seat, bring the hands behind you if you need to, and we'll bend the knees out in front of us. A little bit of core work to start our day. So take a deep breath. As you exhale, tilt pubic bone towards belly button, roll off your sits bones, engage through the abdominals and lift the legs up to tabletop. Reach the arms out. You can stay here gazing at the toes. You can lengthen the legs, gazing at the toes, and maybe start to reach towards the feet a little more. Full breath in, deep exhale. Full breath in, another exhale. Full breath in, deep exhale. We'll slowly lower for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let yourself relax at the bottom. Feet are flat down, knees are bent, arms are down by your sides. Take an inhale. As you exhale, lift the hips, coming up into bridge. And lower the hips down. Option to take bridge once again, or you can rock side to side and bring your palms flat down under the glutes. Draw the elbows in, extend the legs on the mat, and then press into the forearms as you lift the heart, coming into fish. And you'll notice I'm still speaking normally, I'm still breathing, so I'm not creating tension between my shoulders and my ears. I'm lifting the chest and my head is just grazing the mat without putting a ton of weight on the top of my head. And when you're ready, lower down, bend the knees. Then hug your left knee in towards your chest, cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Stay there or lift your right foot up, thread the hands around the right hamstrings and breathe. And bring the feet down, other side, right ankle over left thigh, left foot lifts up, thread the hands around the hamstrings and breathe. And bring the feet down. From here, draw the knees towards the armpits. Flex the feet so the soles of the feet face the sky. Take hold of the pinky toe edges of the feet or the heels of the feet. Rock side to side for happy baby. And you might pause in the center, taking a few moments of breath. Bring the legs together, open the arms out to the sides, let the legs fall to the right, perhaps turn the gaze to the left, or a twist. Bring the legs through center, engaging abdominals. Let the legs fall to the other side. Perhaps turn the gaze. Engage the abdominals, come back through center, lower the feet down, extend the legs long on the mat, let the arms rest down by your sides. And maybe think about reaching the feet, the heels, towards the bottom of the mat. Excuse me. Thank you. Creating space for the low back, and then maybe lift the shoulders and draw them down the back as well. Finding our way towards Shavasana. If you'd like, you can take your blocks and bring them horizontally underneath the thighs, right above, or below rather, your glutes. A little support for the low back. We'll settle into this place of rest. The culmination of our practice where we soak in the attention, the intention, and the connection between body, breath, mind, and heart. eventually invite little movements and awareness back into the body, awakening the breath. Eventually, find your way to one side and pause here. And finding your way back to a tall seat. Let the eyes remain at a close. Float the hands to the heart. Taking a moment to honor the practice and honor allowing your intention to stay with you when you go. I'll take a full breath in and let it go. Peace to you, to all beings, gratitude to you and all the teachers who came before us. Peace, 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 shanti, shanti, shanti. Peace, yogis, and I thank you. Happy Thursday, everyone. Have a